Assalamualaikum. I hope you all are doing well. So, have you ever visited a place where every corner is perfect for social media content? Welcome to House of Hype. It's basically an amusement park which is located in Dubai. This incredible destination is filled with colorful rooms, interaction experience, and mind blowing visuals that make you feel like you have stepped into the whole new world. Every step offers unique photo and video opportunities that can take your content to the next level. Let's explore every section here. At the end, I'll let you know whether it is worth ticket price or not. So make sure to watch until the end. As soon as we enter, we see colorful lights and futuristic designs. There are unique setups everywhere that look perfect for photos and videos. Our first impression was that the place feels very exciting, energetic, and fun. This was a room where some sort of performances were performed. Let's enjoy the performance.
Two, ladies and gentlemen, and that's what family is the time of the day when you get to step up, rise up, and never give up. Are you ready? Come on, bring that energy up. I said, are you ready? Also, five people beautiful that is up to the end. Say, oh. Also, five people beautiful that is up to the end. Say, and this is the showtime. Let's get it. Go, yeah, go. We on the move now. City on dream on the move now. City on dream, we on the move now. Go, yeah, fight, and go. Step up, we on the move now. Step up, this is the showtime. Step up, it is the run time. Hands on to the head, like in the lead line. Step up, we on the move now. Step up, this is the showtime. Step up, it is the run time. Hands on to the head, like in the lead line. And here we go again. It's time to celebrate. So we can all fight. Let me go be there. We are the citizens. We better do it real. Like we don't need no time. I call them many bees. Who been down but we know we need to go. Hey, we celebrate until we there. We don't really care. This is a show time. I call them green time. If it's a bus time, they call it bus time. Step up, we on the move now. Step up, this is a show time. Step up, if it's a bus time. Hands on to the end, like we don't really care. And this is hip hop that wake up. Make you lose control.
Hope you like the dances. Now we are going to explore the different zones here. And this is a laser spray style activity where you can draw different designs and enjoy showing your creativity and skills. You know, the best part is that there are plenty of activities here for both children and adults, so everyone can enjoy the experience. It's an AI photo studio where you can generate your own AI photos. Simply tap your wristband to activate the machine, stand in front of the camera, and within moments, it creates a unique AI image of you. Again, it's a room full of lights and aliens. And now we are heading to the best room in this place. This is a chandelier room, and it was the most beautiful area we visited. No camera can truly capture how amazing this looked in person. The lights were reflecting beautifully from every angle, was creating a stunning and magical atmosphere. We spent a lot of time here because it was truly amazing to look at. Out of all the attraction, this was the room we enjoyed the most. It also turned out to be one of the best spots for photos and videos, making the whole experience even more memorable. Now we are trying some of the interactive activities. These activities are not only for watching but also for participating, which makes it more enjoyable. It's an avatar lab, and visitors can design unique digital avatars and express their creativity through interactive technology. This immersive room allows you to create, customize, and interact with virtual creators in the fun and futuristic environment. Using motion, touch, and digital tools, you can transform your imagination into stunning visual creations. Basically, it's a place where creativity has no limits, and every visitor can become the creator of their own digital world. I made this shoe, a room packed with incredible illusions. And there are plenty more rooms to explore. I'll take you around and show you all of them. Okay, we are heading towards more rooms to explore. It's a pathway. As you can see, everything here is inspired by Arabic culture. The vibrant colors, beautiful patterns, and creative designs give us a glimpse into the region's rich culture and heritage. I think this is a butterfly themed room. One interesting thing about these rooms is that your voice echoes back. Kids especially enjoy this activity and love hearing their voices bounces back around the room. See, a room has a grand entrance that make you feel like you're walking into a glamorous movie award ceremony. Thankfully, there were some games for the older kids as well because they were starting to get a little bored. This is a basketball game and it's a great way to keep them entertained. Older kids tend to enjoy this place more, while younger ones can sometimes feel scared or overwhelmed by the illusions and special effects.
Ooh, beautiful. This is so beautiful. Wow.
Here's the little information about this place. In every room, you can tap the wristband you received at the entrance on special machines to collect points throughout the visit. And this place is located inside the Dubai Mall, and the ticket price is 110 AED per person. Cause it was quite crowded, we ended up parking near the fountain.
which turned out to be the great decision because it saved us from long walk later on.
So, maybe video.
Now this room reminds me a lot of our universe. Same immersive vibes, same futuristic atmosphere. Light, sound, real, colorful blending. Everything is designed to blow your mind. There was a special room where you could feel like a celebrity. You simply have to tap your wristband and suddenly your image appears on the screen in front of you. Then you are free to dance. Enjoy yourself and with no one else around, just you and your moment in the spotlight. And that was the last room. Trust me, it was worth every second. This place feels like stepping into another world. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section. Allah Hafiz.